Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back sa ating channel. And today, pag-usapan natin yung Ginebra, Terra Firma, and Converge sa video na ito. Unahin natin ang Barangay Ginebra, Jason David, dati ring 3x3 player at long-time reserve. Ngayon, may extension na 2-year deal with the Barangay Ginebra. So, para sa isang malayong pick noong Season 47 draft, this is a huge win. So, David was trusted by Team Cone during the Philippine Cup run na umabot hanggang Game 7 kontra sa San Miguel. So, despite being a role player, nakapasok siya sa rotation kahit pa maraming guards na pwede sa Ginebra. So, sa every championship level na team kasi, kailangan talaga ng may glue guys, yung mga hindi headline makers pero nagbibigay ng energy, defense at stability. So, David could be that guy for Ginebra moving forward. So, this shows na Team Cone and Ginebra management are investing not just sa mga star players, so dun din sa depth which could be critical lalo na sa Season 50 na mas mahaba ang laban. Now, lipat naman tayo kay Pido Harencio. Galing mismo sa Spin.ph na he is set to be named Terra Firma's team governor. So, from UST legend to UAAP coach to PBA mentor with Northport and now stepping into a political type role sa PBA board. Harencio's career path is one of the most colorful sa liga. So, having a basketball mind sa board matters kasi these are the people shaping league policies, trades, and franchise direction. So, for Terra Firma na madalas under scrutiny dahil sa controversial trades, so yung presence ni Harencio is magbibigay na naman ng question sa mga PBA fans kasi this is Terra Firma, you know. So alam nyo na yun. So tingnan natin. And finally, let's talk about Converge 5xer. So grabe yung preseason run nila. Talo nila yung Meralco, NLEX, Blackwater, and yung San Miguel Beermen. So, dinagdag pa nila si Juan Gomez de Leaño to pair with Baltasar and Arana. Kaya, sobrang hype talaga nila this season eh. Pero, rookie coach with Delta Pineda is tempering expectations. Sabi niya, don't expect too much. Puro bata sila eh. So, preseason is about development, not dominance eh. Kahit maganda yung results, iba pa rin pagdating sa totoong game. So, experience is the separator. And Converge is still young. So, in their PBA history, Converge has only reached the quarterfinals. So, never beyond that. So, kahit exciting yung roster, patience ang kailangan. Pero, make no mistake, this group is building towards becoming a dark horse contender in the next 2 to 3 years. So ayun, 3 short stories para sa inyo. Ginebra showing faith with Jason David, Pido Harencio moving up to the PBA board with Terra Firma, at Converge trying to manage expectations despite a strong preseason. So ano yung masasabi nyo with Jason David? Ano yung masasabi nyo with the Terra Firma Jeep? And ano yung expectations nyo sa Converge 5xers? Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Aegon Hoops. See you in the next upload. Bye-bye.